Assalamualaikum friends, here is 2500 plus CDR logo all in one with different category. You can edit in Corel Draw any version, okay, but these files are protected. Password in this app: go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now for lifetime. All password in this app and daily update when I upload any video, okay. Here is my Facebook page, join me, and last is Telegram channel, Sheri SK visual. Subscribe me, I will provide every notification of video or data first here, okay. Part 1, part 2, part 3. Part 1, and here is a preview file 500, okay, and here is a main files. For example, open this one, unlock layer, so you can do anything, okay. Now, and special offer, unlock, okay. Now next, part 2, here is same folder preview, but logos are different, not same. Good job. Now part 3, here is preview folder. You see 1000 preview file, and same thing is here, 1000 in single folder. Now part 3, same thing here. Simply you can edit anything. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and download this app for password. Take care, Allah Hafiz.